For Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu endowed a thing and said, there is no fear for a trustee to eat out of it, and there is no specification for it, whether its trustee may be Umar or anybody else. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu, I think you should apportion in the garden among your near kinsmen. He submitted, I will act accordingly. So he distributed it among his kinsmen and cousins. The Prophet ﷺ said to Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu when he submitted to Allah's Apostle ﷺ, Biro, his garden is most favorite to me out of all my assets and is a charity in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So the Prophet ﷺ accorded him the permission, and some people say that endowment is not permissible until one clearly mentions for whom he is endowing it. But the first stance is more valid. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports, Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubada's mother expired and he was not present then. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my mother had passed away and I was not present there then. If I give alms on her behalf, will she get reward? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. He submitted, so making you a witness, I say that my garden called Mikhraf is given as a charity on her behalf. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2756.